Hello and welcome to this English learning video. In this episode, you will hear a person talking about their daily life, work, family, hobbies, and more, all in simple English. This is a great way to practice listening and speaking. You can use this video for shadowing. Just listen and repeat after each sentence. The sentences are short, clear, and perfect for beginners. Let's learn together. Let's get started.
Hello, my name is Adam. I am 29 years old. I live in Toronto, Canada. Toronto is a big city. There are many cars, many people, and many tall buildings. But I like it. There is always something to do. I live in a small apartment in the city center. It's not big, but it's comfortable. There is one bedroom, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a small living room. I also have a small balcony. Sometimes I sit outside and drink tea. I work as a graphic designer. I design logos, websites, and posters. I use a computer every day. Sometimes I draw on paper too. I work from home most of the time. I have a desk, a laptop, and 2 screens. My job is creative. I like making new ideas and trying new colors. Sometimes clients are difficult, but I stay calm. Deadlines can be stressful, but I manage my time well. Every day I learn something new. I started this job 3 years ago. Before that, I worked in a restaurant. I was a waiter. I worked long hours, but I learned how to talk to people. That helped me a lot. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I take a shower and brush my teeth. Then I make breakfast. I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit. I like bananas and apples. I drink coffee with milk. At 9 a.m., I start work. I work until 12, then I take a short break. I eat lunch at home. After lunch, I work again until 5 p.m. Sometimes I finish earlier. Sometimes I work late. After work, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch TV or read. Other times, I go for a walk or call a friend. I love sports. My favorite sport is basketball. I play every Saturday with my friends. We play in a gym near my house. I also like swimming. I go to the pool once or twice a week. Swimming makes me feel fresh and strong. In the summer, I go hiking. I take my backpack and walk in the mountains. I like the trees, the fresh air, and the quiet. Nature makes me happy. Sometimes, I ride my bicycle in the park. It's a good way to exercise and relax. Let me tell you about my family. I have a small family. My mother is a teacher. She teaches young children. My father is a driver. He drives a big truck. I have one sister. Her name is Emily. She is 25 years old. She is a nurse. She works in a hospital and helps sick people. She works hard, but she loves her job. We talk every week. Sometimes we meet on video calls. I visit my family during holidays. We eat, laugh, and play games together. I also have many friends. My best friend is Jake. We met at university. We talk almost every day. He is funny, smart, and helpful. Sometimes we go to the cinema. Sometimes we eat at restaurants. We both love pizza and burgers. I have other friends too. We meet on weekends. We go to the park or play video games. I like spending time with people I trust. In my free time, I enjoy hobbies. I like drawing, listening to music, and watching movies. My favorite kind of music is soft rock. I listen to music while I work or relax. I also love reading books. I read stories and simple novels. Reading helps me learn new words. And I love learning languages. I speak English, and I'm learning Spanish and a little French. I study with apps, videos, and podcasts. Every day I learn something new. Sometimes I feel tired or bored. That's normal. When I feel tired, I sleep early. When I feel bored, I go outside or do something fun. I try to stay positive. I take care of my body and my mind. Health is very important to me. In the future, I want to travel. I want to go to Japan, France, and Italy. I want to try new food and meet new people. I also want to live near nature. Maybe I will buy a small house near a lake. And I want to get a dog. I love animals. Dogs are kind and loyal. This is my life. It's not perfect, but I am happy. I work hard. I try to be kind. I try to enjoy every day. Thank you for listening.
Thanks for listening to this episode. I hope you enjoyed the shadowing practice. Remember, learning English takes time and patience. Here are some quick tips for your journey. Practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes can help. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's part of learning. Repeat what you hear again and again. Use English in real life. Speak, write, and think in English. And most important, enjoy the process. If you like this video, don't forget to follow, like, or share it with your friends. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and keep going. Bye for now.